Hello, this is Gabriel Dunn. Today's date is May 19, 2018. In this week's video lab, I will point out several anatomical structures of the mammalian heart. Looking at the anterior view of the heart, at the bottom to the left, there's this pointed end here called the apex of the heart. And also there's this groove here that separates the left ventricles from the right ventricle, called the interventricular sulcus. So I've already cut open the heart here to expose. Let's go ahead and start with the right side here. Just gonna follow along with the, flow of blood here, so you get the blood coming in to the right atrium here, and then it flows down here to the right ventricle, and it's expelled towards the lungs through the pulmonary artery to get oxygenated. In fact, it's the only artery, or one of the only arteries, that in the body that carries deoxygenated blood. But the definition of an artery is a blood vessel that carries blood away from the heart. So that's what it's doing, taking it away from the heart and taking it to the lungs where it's oxygenated. Then the blood returns to the left side of the heart through the pulmonary veins, enters in through the left atrium of the heart, and then goes down to the left ventricle, where it is then expelled through the aorta and then through the systemic circuit. So here you can see the papillary muscle here. It's right here. And the papillary muscle, it contracts with the contraction of the heart, and it has these chordae tendineae that is attached to it. And these chordae tendineae literally means cord-like tendons, are attached to the valves of the heart, such as the semilunar pulmonary valve between the ventricle and the pulmonary trunk, as well as the valves between the atrium and the ventricle. There's a tricuspid valve on the right side, and on the left side it's the bicuspid, or also known as the mitral valve. You can see all these different veins. I mean, mine was kind of injected, so you can kind of see that here's one of the coronary arteries. But yeah, that is it. You can see the wall is much thicker here on the left side than the right side. That's because the left side works much harder, because it has to pump a larger volume of blood to the rest of the body, and the right side only has to pump it to the lungs through the pulmonary circuit. And that's going to go ahead and conclude my video. Thank you so much for watching.